In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Mailchimp. First, make sure you're on a computer or laptop using a web browser, since the full account settings are easiest to access there. Open your browser, go to the Mailchimp website, and log in with your current email and password. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Mailchimp workspace. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or your initials. Click on that icon to open a small menu. In this menu, look for an option labeled Profile or sometimes Account, and then go into Details or a similar settings page. This is where Mailchimp keeps your personal account information, including the email address that works as your username. On the Account Details page, find the section that shows your current login email. This is the address you use to sign into Mailchimp. Click into that field to edit it. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use as your username. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling here because if there's a typo, you might have trouble logging in later or receiving important notifications. Before you move on, make sure this new email address is one you can currently access, since Mailchimp may send confirmation messages or security alerts to it. If you're switching to a work email, confirm that it's active and that you have permission to use it for your Mailchimp account. After you've entered the new email, look for a button that says Update, Save, or something similar near the bottom or top of the page. Click that button to confirm your changes. The page may reload, or Mailchimp may briefly show a message letting you know the update was successful. At this point, your Mailchimp username has been updated to the new email address. The next time you log in, be sure to use that new email instead of the old one. If Mailchimp sends a verification email to confirm the change, open that message and follow any instructions inside to finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your username on Mailchimp by updating your login email and saving the changes in your account settings.